Well, hello, how are you? Thanks for subscribing. I'm getting more subscribers every day and I appreciate it. I'm also getting gray hair. So it matches my little cartoon thing that, you know, that picture of me at the beginning of the videos. This one here. Does that look like me yet? So here's my dilemma today. Hair in my drain. It's a pretty exciting video we're gonna have. Tub Schroom. Look at, I got this on the internet. And I think you can get it at Target or Walmart or I got it on Amazon, and there's a link below if you want to look at that. But so every time I take a shower, I'm digging hair out of the drain with a needle nose pliers. I've tried the other methods and chemicals, and it's just nasty. But this came along, and I figured, well, let's try it, and then I'll make a video and I'll show you if it works or not, okay? So, Tub Schroom, here we go. See, I've tried this before. Zip it. It's got these little things on here, you put it in, pull the hair up, but it gets stuck on, you know, it gets stuck on stuff. So, I'm not gonna use that. We're gonna use it. Ugh. I'll use my fingers first. See, look at that. Look at all that. Yikes. And then you could use a needle nose pliers to pull some of the stuff out. Okay, so here we go. So you just put it right in there, like this. And we wait.
2 hours later.
This is just one day worth of showers. Are we ready? Oh, look at that. See? It cut all the hair. So I'm supposed to be able to just wipe this off. Cleans out pretty easy, does it? Hey, that works pretty good. Well, I like it. It's the Tub Schroom, everybody. Guaranteed to catch every single hair every single time you take a shower, folks. Shouldn't I get? I should get paid for this, shouldn't I? Tub Schroom. I'm not getting paid anything, so you're welcome, Tub Schroom Company of America. Juka Innovation Corporation. I'd like to thank you very much for making me pay for this and demonstrating your remarkable rubber stopper thing for my shower. Hey, if you liked this video, I'm glad it helped you out, and you need to proceed with your day now. See you in the next video.